Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Robert Kiyosaki confirmed, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu today, you will be rich. Shiba Inu's price seems to be sticking close to a significant support level formed over the last 3 months. A consolidation along this barrier led to an explosive move 2 weeks ago. Therefore, the ongoing consolidation has got investors hoping for another rally. In this video, we will talk about Robert Kiyosaki confirmed, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu today, you will be rich. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu's price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The meme coin creator Satoshi Kusama took to Twitter to support Shib holders against users looking to sow doubt and chaos into the ecosystem. Shiba Inu's price is close to a key support level, the POC, at $0.0000118. This barrier is the highest traded volume level since April 11th and was crucial in triggering the previous run-ups for Shib. On August 14th, the Dogecoin killer kickstarted a 53% ascent, creating a double top at $0.0000179. Since then, Shiba Inu's price has undone the gains and is back at the POC, looking to restart a similar move. So far, the bulls seem to be absent or non-reactive. However, if Shib consolidates here long enough, causing a resurgence of buyers, it could catalyze a quick run-up. The immediate level that bulls or smart money will look to target is the equal highs formed at $0.0000179. Therefore, a bounce off $0.0000118 could result in a 52% gain after retesting the $0.0000179 barrier. While this outlook is easy to comprehend, investors need to be comfortable with the breakdown of the POC and the 9% decline that comes with it. This move will knock Shib down to retest the immediate support level at $0.0000106. A bounce to $0.0000179 will result in a 68% gain, which is the second scenario. The third outcome will have the same target, but instead of finding support at $0.0000106, Shiba Inu's price could dip to $0.0000083 to fill the imbalance first. The rally that emerges here will result in a 104% gain to retest $0.0000179. Regardless of the multiple scenarios, investors can dollar-cost average their investments at critical support levels mentioned above instead of waiting for a perfect bottom and missing out on the uptrend. However, if Shib produces a daily candlestick close below $0.0000074 without a quick recovery, it will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis for Shiba Inu price. The Shiba Inu community is eager to finish the network's extensive redesign. As a result, along with the launch of Hub, the Shiba Inu development team announced a significant Shib the Metaverse milestone. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that has seen much growth in recent months. The digital asset was created as a parody of Dogecoin, but has since become its entity. Shiba Inu has seen a lot of attention in August, with the asset price increasing in value. Bone is the governance token of the SHIBASWAP ecosystem. It allows holders to vote on proposals with the weight of their vote proportional to the number of their holdings. Since the beginning of the year, the price has struggled to break out from the $1.20 horizontal resistance area. During this time, it made 3 unsuccessful breakout attempts. However, the price initiated a rapid upward movement on August 19th and successfully broke out on the 29th of August. Bone increased by 200% throughout this upward movement in 10 days and resumed its upward trend on the 11th day. The acceleration of the upward movement over the past 2 days aligned with the listing of Bone in the Bluebit exchange. It is currently trading at the 2.61 external fib retracement resistance at $2.10. If successful in moving above it, the next resistance would be at $2.65, created a 3.61 external fib retracement resistance level. Cryptocurrency and stock trader at Mind and Trading tweeted a Bone chart showing that the price has reached a high of $2. He suggested that the next resistance will be at $2.60. The resistance area is in alignment with the 3.61 external fib retracement level when measuring the previous downward movement. The readings from the RSI support the continuation of the upward movement towards the outlined targets. The first reason is that the indicator has broken out from a descending resistance line. The second one is that there is no bearish divergence in the daily RSI, even though the indicator is overbought. Similarly, there is no bearish divergence present in the 6-hour timeframe RSI. On the contrary, the indicator is increasing even though it is deep inside the overbought territory. As a result, the most likely scenario indicates that an upward movement toward at least the $2.65 area could occur. It is no secret that the crypto market was taken aback after the 19th of August sell-off. Market skeptics continue to warn about the dire conditions in the macro scenario. Among the losers of the sell-off are the prized meme tokens, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Both the tokens were enjoying their respective bullish activity until the crash. Doge continued to tread above its competitor on the crypto ranking charts. However, Shiba Inu lost its place in the rankings and fell further down in the pecking order. It occupied the 14th spot at press time after dropping 2 places below over the weekend. Dogecoin at press time was trading at $0.061 after taking a 3.54% hit over the past day and further going down 7.09% over the week. Shiba Inu was not much better, as it traded at $0.00001193 after going down by 3.25% in the last 24 hours. The Shib token also slid by more than 7% in the past week, according to CoinMarketCap. When Shib went public with its efforts to delve into the Metaverse, some quarters in the crypto community took it as a joke. How can a meme token with no known utility say the Metaverse was part of its objective? Well, the doubts may not be put to rest, as the latest update from Shib reveals that there was no stopping it. In the early hours of the 3rd of September, Shib announced that it had taken a bold step towards the mission. From its official blog, Shib announced that "We're all gonna make it." Temple project was gaining momentum. A proposed concept of the temple followed the release. Are we all gonna make it? Shib's communication reveals that it looked at several architectural designs from 6 different cities. The early sketches showed that Shib had marked Beijing, New Delhi, Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar as the places to take inspiration from. In the light of the proposal, Shib noted that approval lies in the hands of its community. The responses of most of the Shib army seem to agree. However, the update has not translated into a rally per the Shib price. A look at CoinMarketCap showed that Shib had declined 0.17% over the last 24 hours, despite a volume rise of $305.37 million. It was a similar pattern with its burn rate of 47.19%, down with a total of 69,087,091 Shib tokens burned within the same period. A recent tweet from Robert Kiyosaki said a market crash from his 2013 prediction is already here. He said investors might find themselves in a situation where millions are wiped out. Kiyosaki recommends using this time to get richer. It is difficult to disagree with him while recalling Warren Buffett's words that the best time to buy comes when the markets are full of blood. Based on the market state, the S&P 500 continued its downtrend movement and rebounded from the $4,000 to $3,950 support level. So, holders, keep holding Shiba Inu and buy Shib tokens, because Shiba Inu is about to spike, because Robert Kiyosaki believes Shiba Inu will skyrocket. The Shiba Inu coin is currently the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap, with a price of $0.000012 for a coin. Most analysts expect the crypto market to move sideways in the next few months, which should probably also apply to the Shiba Inu. But it will be interesting to see how high the Shiba Inu price can rise in the bull market and how positive the forecast for the meme coin looks. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.